Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. I am Chrissy and today we are going to discuss what's in your pipeline. Yes, you may see that I had a wrench. Yes, I want to know what is in your pipeline. What are your plans for the rest of this year, 2020? We have 2 more months left. Or whatever time you are listening to this video, you must have a plan and you must be able to work your plan. So, without any further ado, I will just say the pipeline I'm talking about is basically your focus towards your goal. If you want water, as it were, money to flow towards you, wealth to flow towards you, you must have a plan. You must have faith, you must have discipline, and you must have, most important to me, is a desire and consistency. So, do you have desire to have a business? Do you have desire to go towards your dream, to chase after your goals, to not let anything hold you back, to not let anything derail you? Do you have that desire? Tell me if it is you have that desire. Ask yourself that question if you have that desire. Do you have the discipline? Do you have the discipline to go straight to the end? Do you have the type of discipline that I'm speaking about, that don't matter whatever happens, you will continue going? Discipline with endurance and being perseverant will be a very big part to play in you going towards your goal and letting it reach till the end of the pipeline. You understand what I'm saying? Am I giving you value? Please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel if I am giving you value. Give me a like. Give me a like, people, if you understand where I'm coming from. You must know what you want. You must have clarity for what it is you want. What it is you want in this life. What do you focus much on? It is what you focus much on is what it is will come to reality. My mentor, Wesley Virgin, always talks about you don't get what you want in your life. You get what you picture. You see behind me? It's a vision board. I picture, I do affirmations on a daily basis, and I meditate on the lifestyle that I want. You have to meditate on the lifestyle, what it is you want, like a mind movie, and see what it is you want in the future. Other than that, you have to take action. Take action and don't worry about what the naysayers will say. Take action. Y'all, another tip that will work to make sure that the water continues to flow in your pipe is that you have to continue saying it. 1 and 2, you have to write it down. The Bible talks about writing the vision and making it plain upon tables, people. Make your vision clear. Make your vision plain. Write. Journal. Have clarity. Journal and write in details how you would like your goals, how you would like your dreams, your dream house, your dream car to be. Be specific. The Bible also talk about being specific for what it is you want. Right? You understand what I'm getting at? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I believe I am giving you great value here. Now, we don't want your pipe to clog. So that's why I will now advise you to stay away from negative persons that may try and clog your pipe. Okay? Stay away from negative persons that may try and clog your pipe. Stay away from watching negative shows, negative news, things that may confuffle the mind. right? So because you need to keep the mindset, and you have to have faith in yourself, you have to have the confidence that you could bring this to pass, that you need to have the confidence so it can be manifested in reality. Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue. Death and life is in the power of the tongue. Only say positive things. Only say positive things towards your business. Only talk positive things towards yourself. That's where the affirmations come in. I am wealthy. I am smart. Right? I am strong. I am healthy. Yes, I am healthy. Yes, I always stress and I am healthy because you know your health is your wealth. Your health is your wealth, people. And at the end of the day, I want to see you go well. I want to see you function well. I want your pipe to be functioning well. So don't clog your pipe with negative thoughts, negative words, and negative people. Stay away from negativity on the whole. Stay away from negativity on the whole. Anytime you hear someone talking any negative talk, excuse yourself. Find somewhere to do. Pretend you get a phone call, something. Remember that you have something to do. Make up something just to get yourself out of it. Right? That's my advice to you today. Other than that, I think you should check out my vlog with positive thinking and how to get rid of positive thinking, how to close those habits and create new ones. Right? So you want to get rid of all bad habits and you want to create new ones in order to dwell on positive thinking. It will be hard, it will not be easy, but trust me, you're going to make it. So thank you for staying till the end of my video. Please comment down below and check out the gift that I have left for you. I left a gift for you, people. Check out the gift at the bottom of this. Click the link below. Right? And if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will see when I release another great video like this one. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View. Bye.